I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address on Upwork is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Upwork account. Start by logging into your Upwork account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can access your profile settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're on your dashboard, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner. Click on it and select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to address section. In the settings menu, find the contact info section. Here, you will see your current address listed. Click on the edit button next to it to make changes. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy, as errors can delay verification. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Upwork.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're updating your address close to a payment date, it might take some time for the changes to reflect. If you follow these steps, you should be all set. Happy freelancing!